Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna show you how you can build an powerful AI assistant for your business using the GPT-4o Mini model and using your own training data. So we're gonna use the GPT assistant APIs and we're gonna build a powerful chatbot and using the latest GPT-4o Mini model, so which is much cheaper and faster and reliable model. Let's have a look at what we are gonna build today. So using your own training data, we're going to build a powerful AI assistant like this. So this video is all about building an AI based chatbot using your own training data. So let's get into the video to get more information regarding this, and I hope this will be more useful and it will be easy for you to integrate with your business. Thank you. So, without much delay, we will be talking more about this. And first of all, you need to have your own account on OpenAI. You need to create your own platform from here, platform.openai.com. You can create your own account, and you must create an API key as well. From here, you can generate an API key for your account. And next thing is make sure you have some credits here. I mean, minimum recharge you can do is for $10. If you don't have any credits here, OpenAI APIs will be failing. It won't successful. It will give error message related to not enough credits. The other pre-requirement is just create an account. Now we're gonna use our platform Rapidbott to build the chatbot, and one advantage that you get is we in integrations, if you go to artificial intelligence, there we do have native integration with OpenAI. All you have to provide is your API key and click on save. If it is a valid API key, you will get this verified message, and then all these options will be unlocked. You will get the options for uploading files, vector store, and assistant. So in this video, we're gonna mainly gonna focus on using the assistant AI API. So you need to create an assistant. Make sure you have an account created. That's the first important thing to use. We're gonna use this chatbot builder. If you are on first time on our platform, on from our website, if you click on login, you will get a login page. From there you will get the option to sign up. If you are already have an account, directly log in. And next thing is setting up a workspace. So in this, for this tutorial, I'm gonna create a new workspace. Let's create a new workspace. Let's call it AI chatbot. uh, okay, let's call it AI chatbot. Now let's create it. Now we have the workspace created. Now let me open that. So when you signing up for the first time, you will get 7 days of free trial. For within the 7 days, you can test out this platform and integration, everything for your business, and then you can start building your bot and deploy it on your social media channels. So now let's create an omni-channel. The advantage of omni-channel is it can be deployed in various multiple channels once you create a bot. So let's set up an omni-channel. Let's give a name. Let's call it AI bot. Let me add it. So here you will get two options: create new bot or convert existing bot. So this option doesn't work because you don't even have an existing bot here. So the new workspace. So let's go with the create new bot. For this, we are gonna use a blank template. We're not gonna use anything. Let's call it AI chatbot. Click on the create bot. It will directly redirect you to the builder. Now we have the bot ready, everything set up. Let's go back to the previous tab, go to integrations. We need to set up the OpenAI integration. Let's click on this, provide the API key here. So I have put my API key here. Let me save this. So it's a valid API key, so it got verified. Now I do have access to the files, vector store, and assistants. So Now we're gonna upload our own training data for the AI. So it won't take within 5 minutes you can build this chatbot. So we're gonna upload files. For now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my website. I'm gonna convert that into a PDF file so that I can directly upload here. As you can see in Chrome, there is an extension you can find from Chrome store. It's called Save as PDF. Convert this page to PDF. It's by PDF Crowd, or you can find similar platform or similar tools like that. So advantage is for me, I'm gonna use this business as my data source. This first page has a lot of information regarding our services and all, or about our business. So I'm gonna use this page. I'm gonna convert this into a PDF, so which we can use as a data source. If you don't have a business website or something, you can have a PDF file or document file, or wherever you have, you can collect the data, put it into a PDF file or a doc file, and you can upload those files as an data source for your uh, assistant API or assistant AI that you're building. So now we have the PDF converter. Let's download this PDF. So it's downloading. Now let's also convert this pricing page as well. So here our pricing, everything is structured, everything is here. Now let's convert this also as a data source for our AI. I'm just using website as a data source. In your case, if you already have data, if it is stored in a Excel format or PDF, just convert into a PDF. That's the best way. PDF works well with our platform. If you want to directly upload, PDF is a good option. If you are using your platform, like if the file is more than 10 MB, or like if it is a larger file you're trying to upload, the once you create your assistant, from here also you can directly upload, which we will come to later. I will explain that part. I'm coming to that part. Let's go back and download that file, this page which we converted. Just download that also. We do have two PDFs downloaded at the moment. Let's head back to our integration tab. Here is the files. Let's do one thing. Let's delete this. I mean, I previously uploaded the same file. Like, let's delete those, and let's delete this one also. It won't create any confusion. Now let's upload these two files which we downloaded just now, and these are the two files. This is the pricing info which we converted into a PDF file. Let's upload this first. Here when you're uploading, if the file size is more than 10 MB, you won't be able to upload it. You will get an error. So in that case, we will I will show you what else you have to do. So now let's upload this file. Now we have the pricing info for PDF has been uploaded. Now let's upload the other home page which we converted for the data source. Yeah, we do have the home page also here. Let's open this. Click on the save button and create. So you can see the same info is been uploaded. If you go back to your platform.openai, here also if you go to storage files, you can find the same exact files. It's been uploaded here also. So it's completely linked with your API key. When you are uploading there also, it will be uploaded here. If you are trying to upload a file which is more than 10 MB, or like it's much larger, or if you are trying to upload a document file or Excel format file, in that case you need to upload directly from here. So you can select assistant here purpose and give a name, and upload the file directly from here. Drag the file or click this button. From here also you can directly upload in that particular case. In our platform, mostly we do support PDF format files. That's why I converted the data into a PDF format. So it's much easier to read the file and much easier to upload directly from our system. Yep, now let's create a vector store. Previously, I created multiple vector store. Let's delete these. Let's do it from scratch once again. I'm deleting the older version of this. Let's delete this one too. Yeah, now this is how the vector store will look like. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, so here you can see, you can these are the vector stores. It doesn't have any name or anything, it doesn't have anything there. So here you can see, you can select any of where it's written 0 files. You can edit it, you can give a name if you want, like for example, let me call this Rapidbot AI chatbot demo. Let me update it. I mean, I'm explaining the entire scenario. That's why, like, if you're doing it, it hardly take five what like within less than 10 minutes, you can build a powerful AI bot. So let's click on this 0 files where it's written 0 file. This is the vector store we just created. Click on 0 files, and here you can find a button add file. Select the file which we just uploaded, and click on add again. Select the other file, the pricing info which we just uploaded. So just create. So we have two of them, and close this. Right now it says 0 file, but you can sync again. Click on the sync button. Now you can see two files are here. Now let's go to the assistant, and previously I created an assistant. Let's delete this, or we can use the same one. Let me copy this instruction. Let me delete this. So from here you can create the assistant. So click on the new button here. Here you will, by default, it will be on GPT-4o Mini, which is what we're gonna use today. If you prefer, you want to use some other models also, you can do that, or latest model comes up, that also you can change. But this is the latest version. So we're gonna use this model, and we're gonna call this assistant a name here. I'm gonna paste the prompt here which we are going to use. Prompt in the sense, this is the instruction, this is the behavior of the AI, how it should respond. For example, if somebody asks for a support related info, or they wants to get in touch, you can provide the information that you want to the AI to respond. Also, make sure the prompt must be clear enough for the AI model to handle the user queries. So you are an AI who was for Rapidbot. I mean, this is about our business, so I put it like that. Please use the data from the uploaded files to generate the response. So if you giving a specific instruction like this, then only it will fetch the information that from the vector store files. So we're gonna attach a vector store. So this is the vector store that we created for this demo. I have the files we uploaded. Now click on the create button. Let's create the assistant. Now we have this Rapidbot AI assistant created. If you go back to your assistants in your OpenAI, here you can see Rapidbot AI new assistant has, like, the same assistant has been automatically synced here also. It's created here. Let's head back to the platform. So advantage of this integration, native integration, you can do everything from our platform directly. You don't need to go to OpenAI and create everything. You can directly create most of this from here. Now let's copy this assistant ID which we need in the integration block. So I'm gonna copy this. Let's head back to our Omni-Channel. One advantage, like earlier I mentioned, once you deploy this, you can deploy it on your website, chatbot website. Then if you have a Facebook business account connected, you can deploy it on your Facebook page, Instagram, Telegram, or Google Business, or WhatsApp also. It's supported at the moment. In the free plan, WhatsApp is not available, Omni-Channel, that is why it's not displayed here. If you upgrade to a Pro or Pro Plus plan, the WhatsApp channel also will be visible or displayed here. So let's go to the open the builder. Let's start with the development. So this is our main flow. Okay, this is our main flow. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna build the flow here. So let's click on the edit flow to build to edit the flow. Just drag a line, and first thing is we need to ask a initial question. So we're going to use a question block and put it as here. If you want to capture this response to a variable, you can type a variable here. Let's call it input. Either you can use this variable or whatever the user is typed, we will have it stored in a system variable called last test input. Both you can use. And next thing, we will get the question from the user. It will be stored here. Let's do one thing. Let's add a send message block here, and let's give a typing delay effect 2 seconds, which makes the chatbot more interactive. Now let's again go to the action block. So the action block is where we have all the integrations that we have. So let's open this OpenAI integration. Click on edit action. Here you have a lot of in this integration, a lot of actions available, but we are only going to use the assistant completion because our data is trained on assistant API. This is the chat completion, chat GPT API integration here, but here if you're going to use this, you need to manually put all the data inside this system message, but which is not possible in our case. All the data we have is in a PDF file, so we're going to use a PDF. So that's why we have to use this assistant completion API. So we're gonna use this one today. Let's click on this here. Select version 2, and if you want the bot to remember the conversation, by default it will be yes. That you can decide how you want, but for now we're gonna put it yes. And here the assistant ID which we copied earlier, I'm gonna paste it here. Model you can leave, you don't need to put anything because by default we already defined the model in the integration tab. So if you put a different model here, it will overwrite it. So here the content, this is the content where you need to provide the input. So the input that we created, the variable we created is input. You can use this in a variable, or you can use the last test input. This is our system variable, will have all the information from the user, what they typed last to the chatbot, so which will be stored on this variable. I'm just explaining that also you can use. For now we're gonna use the input variable. Instruction you can leave empty because we already provided the instruction. If you type some new instruction here, it will override it. So just leave as it is. All the settings you can leave as it is. I'm gonna type pricing plans, something like that. Let's see what happens. It might take a couple of seconds to fetch the data from the file, so let's wait for it to complete. Now we got a response here. Here this is a JSON response we are getting. So inside content you can expand this. Inside test block you have the output. So we need to map this output into a variable so that we can display it. Here I can see this is the data that is fetched from the file. So let's map this. Click on this JSON path. So you can see this is mapped. You can put a variable here. So let me create a variable. Okay, let's create a variable response, and I'm selecting the test format, test field, and I'll just click on add. So now every time when a response has been created, it will be mapped into this variable, and you can click on save. Next thing, you can again use a question block, so that inside the question block you can display this. We just remap the variable here, response, and if the user types something after this, you can loop it back to the the typing delay that which we created. Again, this process will keep looped in a loop. So let's this is a basic demo. Much more actions you can do. For example, if they type a specific keyword or something, you can add a condition also. This kind of detailed AI flow decider kind of integration we can talk in another different video. This is a basic example within 10 minutes how you can set up an AI chatbot for your business and deploy it on various business channels, social media channels that you have. So that's what we basically covering in this video. Now let me publish it and let's do a live test how it look like. So let me open it in the preview inside the builder. So yeah, our question has been loaded. How may I help you? Okay, let's ask what integration do you support? Let's ask a question like that. So now our typing delay has been triggered. 2 seconds. Then it will go to this API block. So let's wait for it to generate the response. So yeah, we got a reply back. So we got the integrations dialog flow, OpenAI, Twilio, WhatsApp Cloud, Stripe, MailChimp. So this is the basic integration info that we have here. So it's only fetching the data that we provided from this PDF. So in our integration tab, if I provide this for PDF, if I converted this page as PDF, it has a lot more integrations there. So that is why based on the how the data you're giving, based on what data you're providing, based on that you can expect the AI to provide uh, the response for the user queries. So let me type what are the pricing. Okay, let's type pricing plan because we added the specific data for that. Let's see what's the info we're getting. Okay, so here is a problem because here the problem is we didn't provide as input variable. So what happens is whatever I'm typing, it's going back to this block again, printing the previous input value. So previous input is pricing. Oh, sorry, previous input is integration. So let's fix that. Let me provide that input variable here. We're not saving this information, that is why. Let's publish once again. Now let me try pricing plans. Okay, let's preview it again. Yeah. I mean, it's on a draft mode, so it didn't got updated. That's why we need to preview it again. Now it got the data for the pricing plan, so it's fetched the exact information. How like what mentioned there. Let's ask a specific question. I'm asking about the add-on charges. So which in the pricing plan you can buy add-ons. So this is the add-on, extra add-on. So let's see if we can get that information. So here you can see that information is also fetched from the PDF file. So this is how you can set up a advanced AI FAQ based chatbot for your business. This is also you can tweak, you can add customized results. Like for example, if this person is asking about pricing plan, like you can add a keyword, you can write a if condition, so that you can take it to an AI agent flow. You can assign to a specific agent. It will be notify a specific agent in your workspace so that the agent can directly take on the conversation and have the live chat. You can hand over the live chat to an live agent. So there are a lot of use cases that you can build, but in this video This is only a basic demo of instruct how it's a tutorial based on how you can build a powerful AI based on your own training data using our platform. So if you have any questions or you want more videos like this, or you need further assistance regarding this, please feel free to reach out or support, or you can comment below this video and we will get back to you. Thank you.